Hey guys, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a terrific Thursday. I am pretty excited. As you can see from the description, we have received our August 2018 Lola Beauty Box. So we will definitely be diving in there in just a few minutes to see what was in the box this month. If you have not already signed up, I will make sure to leave a link down below for you guys. Lola Beauty Box is $21 a month and you do receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. I also will make sure to link down below. As you guys know, I have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So if you have not, please do subscribe and make sure to click that link and get yourself entered. And without further ado, we will get our little box cutter. I didn't say it too twangy that time. And we will go ahead and dive in here and see what is in this month's box. Alright, so we open it and it's got a card and the pretty pink squigglies and it says flawless, and then on the back it does have the items listed. I'm not gonna peek too much. The one thing I do like about Lola, they do include the prices, so I will be able to tell you guys what each item is. So let's first start here. Well, actually, let me show you. This is what the box with the card out looks like for the products. So first one I'm grabbing here is by Zoya. Goodness, I couldn't get the little box open. All right, so it is a nail polish. It is in the color Jack. And it is more of a cream neutral light color. It does seem to be pretty. Let's see, on the card, it is Zoya nail polish in Jack. $10 is the retail value for this item. Zoya and Jack can be best described as a full coverage nude cream perfect to match your morning latte. They're gonna drive me in with that coffee reference. You guys know I love my coffee. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got something from Wander Beauty. So I'm excited. Looks like Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow. Let's see. All right. Get it out of the box so we can see what color. Oh, you guys, this is pretty. Lilac Luster is the name of the color. Can you guys see this? It is so like shimmery and pretty. Let's do a little swatch here. Oh, guys, that is so pretty. It's very, very, very pretty. I'm trying to do a good angle here for you to really see the swatch. It is so pretty. That is a beautiful color. And this retails for $26. This lustrous silky eyeshadow delivers brilliant color. Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow can be used as an eyeliner, eyeshadow, highlight, or layered for a beautiful range of day to night looks. That's actually what I was thinking, that this actually would be a really pretty highlight. So this has multiple uses. That is awesome. So that was beautiful. And let's see, what do we have here next? We have Glow by Glory Semi-Matte Liquid Lipstick. Let's get it out of the box. Ooh, they are definitely going right up the alley for fall. Name of this color, Cutie Patootie. How awesome and cute is that? So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys here. It's definitely a very pretty color. We'll do a little swatch. Ooh. Can you see that? That is absolutely a beautiful color to have for fall. Ooh, I really, really like that. And then we have, oh, I'm sorry, let me tell you how much that was. I apologize. Glow by Glory Glow Stick Semi-Matte Liquid Lipstick, $18. It says, she's a bad mama jamma from her head down to her toes. She'll be the perfect little purse nugget and she'll wow the crowd. This girl's got pigment that packs a punch. Pair her with confidence and high heels and you'll be the sweetest thing walking. So, yeah, absolutely. And this is a palette by Lola & Company. It's the Desert Mirage eyeshadow palette. Packaging is beautiful. And the palette itself does match the box. Let's take a peek at the colors. Oh, you guys, this is beautiful. Can y'all see these colors? They are so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer shades and 5 matte shades. Does include the 9. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4 shimmer. The others are the matte. And again, I'll get a little bit closer for you guys to see this. They are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Love that. And those are colors to me that, you know, you could definitely do still somewhat summer and fall. Those are kind of universal year-round type shades, and I love getting palettes where you can do that. We do have, did I tell you guys the price of that? I apologize. $24. We do have one last item here, and it is, forgive me if I say this incorrectly, Kryolan Makeup Face Liner. It's $20. Face liner is a soft textured pencil for delicate application on eyes, face, and lips. Okay. Let's see. Came in this like really super long box. And it's a really super long liner. Does it tell me the shade? It just says face liner. Color code 25. There does not appear to be, other than 25, color code 25, a description of the shade. It is an actual pencil, so you know, you can definitely sharpen and continue to use. And as you can see, it is a somewhat neutral tone. And actually, you know what? I'm swatching it here to show you guys next to the lipstick that was in this box, and it actually might be, this definitely for me would be way too light as an eyeliner, but this actually might work for a lip liner with the shade that came in. You can see it here, and then there's the lipstick. So, okay. So that was a recap of the items. Again, the Lola & Company, or I'm sorry, I'm going to give you a recap of the items. That was all of the items in this month's Lola box. So we have the Lola & Company Desert Mirage eyeshadow palette for $24, the Glow by Glory glow stick and the semi-matte liquid lipstick for $18, the Wander Beauty Exquisite Eye liquid shadow is $26, the Zoya nail polish in the shade Jack is $10, and the final that we just did, the Kryolan Makeup Face Liner, is $20. So for $21 a month, absolutely worth it. The products far exceed the price of the box, and they're great products. They're products, like with most beauty boxes, that I may not go out and purchase. If it wasn't, you know, for getting them in the box, I probably would not have them. So it is just another way to treat yourself every month and receive these awesome products. They're all gorgeous and have some fun little play looks here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, you know, if you liked the products in the I was reading something else, in the Lola Beauty Box this month for August 2018. And again, don't forget to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Please do subscribe to my channel and follow that link to get yourself entered. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for taking time and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. And until my next video,